Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 9. Hi. So I'm here with my niece Melanie, the cheater.
I'm the one that makes her famous.
The cheater on the gingerbread house. Okay. Hey guys, so I am back from the store. I just bought some sugar cookies. We bought some funfetti cupcakes if that didn't work out. Go to Harmon's, which is down the street, and I got some eggs. I didn't have any. Helicopter, helicopter. That sounds so sick in my head. Anyways, I bought this because I've noticed that we don't have any of this, so that came through. And then like these are so cute for Christmas if we were to make the cupcakes. And the butter, I bought some of these Christmas sprinkles, are cute, and some white icing and some milk chocolate fudge. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Anyway, so you want to do the sugar cookies?
Yeah.
All right. Helicopter, helicopter. Not 1/2.
But in this packet it says 1/2, Janet.
1/2 of what?
Of butter.
Where's the other butter?
That one doesn't have 1/4. Oh my god. When you mess it up, don't even blame it on me. I'm gonna blame it on you. Girl, go get the other ingredients, right? That's your meal.
Okay. That's how it's supposed to be. You just gotta measure it. We're gonna put 1 egg, honey. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. There.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
I wonder if Matthew's home.
Matthew, if you're watching this, you're gonna get a spanking.
Ask my mom. Text her. Is Matthew home?
Alright, so we got the dough done. Hopefully they come out pretty good. I don't know. We'll see. Do you think like that?
Yeah.
Or is that too big?
Is that parchment paper?
Yeah.
If you make them big like that, you're only gonna be able to put 2.
Okay. First pan to go. So whatever is left of the cookie dough, I'm gonna put it in a little mini oven. A bit of there. In here. Okay. What? They're grounded. Sugar cookies are done. I just need to wait for them to. There you go. Those are done. And then I would start decorating them, so yay. And my battery's dying, yay. Okay. This might take a bite out of it. These are my cookies. I just put frosting and sprinkles and a happy face and... Oh, let me put... Do you have more M&Ms? Let me put 2 eyes there. Boop. There you go. So, these are my cookies. I already took a bite of that. And these are her cookies. Like, I really like that one. That one's really pretty.
I'll make the Grinch.
Oh, hell.
A bootleg Grinch. One that you get from Wish. Leave me alone.
Alright guys, so these are the Christmas cookies that my niece and I made. These are mine and these, and she made these. So she made like a Christmas tree and some snowflakes, and she made this really pretty. She tried to make the Grinch. I don't know. Anyways, she made it. I think this is a Christmas present. Mine just says Vlogmas Day 9. And then I just put sprinkles. She doesn't like sprinkles, she said, but I like sprinkles. So that concludes the video of today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with more videos. Bye guys.